Yeah. You're now tuning to DottyPippinFX. You know the vibes. We're gonna try and mash FTMO down. We're gonna try to do it as smooth as possible. We're gonna try to keep it as neat and clean as possible. And win, lose or draw, we're gonna post all trades into the Telegram. So it's all there. For content purposes, to speed it up a little bit, I don't want to be in this challenge longer than 2 weeks. So it is what it is. We start on the 10 grand one, and then we work our way up, you know what I'm saying? Let's try to build it. And let's see if this box-to-box strategy works in the 5 minutes. I know it works in the 5 minutes. I know it works in the 10. But let's just, show and prove. The data don't lie. You feel me? But listen, all this going around in circles. Let's get into the first episode. Alright then, so we just caught FTMO 10k challenge. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and do this as smooth as we can. We probably risk about 250 a trade. Take about 2 trades a day with the box-to-box strategy. It's London session. It is the 13th of the 3rd, 2026. Well, 2026 I should say. So yeah man, let's see how it goes. We got a second zone here. And then we have a 3rd zone there. After 1 minute, keep it simple. I'm showing you that the box-to-box works off all zones. As long as we don't over leverage, we should be alright. It's a nice uptrend in the higher time frames. And this is what we're looking for. So it's dropping. Wait for it to get to that second zone. We'll add some more muscle. If it breaks this 15-minute candle, that candle there, then we add some more positions. We're gonna let it do his thing, man. Yeah, so it's looking like it's hitting off towards the 4th zone. So we're gonna ride it all the way back up to the last high, which is here. Set up alerts. And yeah man, this is what it's looking like. Add my positions. Under 1 minute. Let it do its thing, let it cook, and leave it to it, man. Get me? Quick little update before I go to the gym. So this is what it's looking like. So we're nearly hitting TP levels. What's the TP level is? Come. Let's put that on let's put that on. Put the coordinates in the TP, yeah. Let's see, that's up there. Our original TP, we're gonna hold it to there then. So let's see how it goes then, boys, man. Let's see how it goes, B. That was a good day in the office. We didn't do nothing irrational. So all we gotta do now is just rinse and repeat, man. There ain't no crazy explanation. There isn't no crazy breakdown. It's just like rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. As long as we stick to the plan and we don't do nothing stupid, I think we'll be alright. You got what I'm saying to you? Like I said, man, I don't know it all, but I know just enough to make some bread. Holla at you, boy.